Use this longer one screw here, here, here. Yeah. So you need like this one. So maybe it's damaged the parts. It's no problem. We can send you the new parts for you. But first you need this one. Yeah, you can see this inside is dirty, so it's hard. So like this one, yeah, it's inner wrench, so it's okay. Yeah. So after you turn off, so you make sure these two backflow is flush on. Yeah, and also you make sure this is two black light or white light match each other, light up. And the second, this round pieces next this one. Next this one, yeah. The opening should face to the right side. The opening, can you see the opening? It's the right side, and it's a lobber, so is inside very dirty, so cannot take off. So you need to use this one, take off. Yeah, and this one, put this one. Yeah. So you push this. Yeah. So this one, push. Turn the temperature knob all the way. The left side end, you turn on the hand vent, just the hand vent, and around 1 or 2 minutes water, you should get hot water. Yeah, and turn this one, the right side end, you should get the cold water. Turn on the just the hand vent, and around 2 minutes, and then test the water temperature. Yeah. And you turn the two side end, you lever, get hot water. So you need to make this one here, backflow. Backflow, you need to open the backflow. Use angle wrench, make backflow. Yeah, backflow.